Welcome back. In this video we're going to look at setting up and installing the app called Open Camera. So we'll begin by opening up the Google Play Store. And you'll note that this app is only available on Android devices, not for iOS. So we'll search at the top for Open Camera. And in my case it's already installed, but in your case you're going to look for Open Camera, and underneath you'll see the name Mark Harmon. And once you see that, you can install the app. And this app is convenient because it's open source, which means that it's freely available. There's no ads, and anyone can contribute to the code for this product. So yeah, you can see it's fully featured and completely free open source camera app, no ads. And we'll go ahead and open this up. Now that it's open, I'm going to go to the camera settings. So in the bottom right, you'll notice a small gear. So I'll click that gear icon. And now we'll go down to video settings near the bottom. So the reason that I changed a lot of the settings on here was to compress the video so the file would be as small as possible while still having a decent picture. And the reason for this is because the upload size on Knowledge Forum is limited. Right now it's around 15 megabytes. So after modifying these settings, a 1-minute video is usually around 5 or 6 megabytes, which is a relatively small video size. So I've already changed these settings for myself, but I'll show you the way that I set this up. So let's start at the top with video resolution. So rather than having full resolution, I changed this to standard resolution, which is 720 by 480. For video bitrate is at 500 kilobits per second. For frame rate, I changed this to 15 frames per second. So every second there'll be 15 pictures that are taken that create the video. Maximum duration of video. And this I set to 1 minute. I want the videos to be short and concise, not have run-on presentations. And restart video after max duration, I set this to don't restart. And the rest of the options I believe I left alone. So by changing these options at the top, we can create relatively short, relatively small files that we can easily upload to Knowledge Forum. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope to see you in the next video.